Okay, so these are the departures for China, from Macau into China, mainland China, and these are the arrivals from China into Macau. So we had it's about 10 in the morning. It's a Sunday, so this is the traffic on a Sunday. I think there's even more on a weekday when it's people are coming back and forth to work. But Sunday morning, I guess we got a lot of activity as well. But I do see it leaving more. But since I'm here on a Sunday morning, I'm going to film and just kind of show you what it looks like at the border and give you a little context. We'll walk into the street a little bit and we'll walk up into this one a little bit as well. So stay tuned. That right there says the border gate square, Plaza. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Here we are at the plaza of the border gate. Let's just walk this way a little bit. What we're gonna do is just walk. Actually, the ones with the suitcases are gonna go to a taxi, so they're not actually going to the border, because if they were, they would be on the other side. So we're just gonna walk up to the taxi stand and then we're gonna walk. So all these people that are coming to the left are all coming in from China into Macau. So they're here to enjoy their holiday weekend. And the people with the suitcases probably walked by the bus stop and are gonna catch it here. Or it looks like they're gonna keep on going. And then the other thing they could do is they could catch buses in the distance over there, or there's a ton of buses closer to the border, way over there as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk this direction. Then we're gonna cut across here. Let's see. So we're gonna cut across here. It's kind of a middle lane here. Looks like they have some border gates, some gates here just to kind of keep the traffic more smoothly. Usually this median lane will get quite crowded too, and they'll funnel people into the buses down these down this way. So anybody coming in and out of here is coming in and out of the buses from just the Macau city. And all these people are going into mainland China. So they've already been in Macau, and on a Sunday morning at 10 in the morning, they're deciding to either go home back into the mainland, or they're deciding to go up into China, visiting if they're a Macau person. And then there's also people that are Macau people that, you know, live here that are from Zhuhai. But I think you'd see that more on a weekday. I think on a Sunday at this time there could be almost anybody, but also a lot of people from Macau will also, especially Chinese Macau people, will go into the border, go across the border for shopping because it's so much cheaper over there. And if you see these little bags like this one, they're usually doing some kind of import-export. So they're probably grabbing extra products and bringing it back. That one over there, there's some, it's like baby formula stuff. Okay. So we're gonna just walk right into the main street here. The suitcases are usually people who are also, could be tourists, but they're probably doing some kind of import-export. Okay, so now we're kind of in the main street. So you'll see some commerce here. We'll see it on the side streets. Let me also just kind of flip around. Let's get into the middle a little bit. So those are the arrivals and the departures. And then we're gonna go down further. Then to the left and the right, there's all these little side streets. Usually they're doing some commerce in these areas. So actually the cardboard, I'm not sure the purpose of the cardboard. Usually they're recycling it inside Macau, but it's at the border, so I don't know, maybe it's coming across from Macau side? Oh, you know what they might be doing is they could be, yeah, you'll see some people buying and selling stuff here. So like some liquor down by that yellow business sign. And the cardboard, I think they're probably, maybe there's just a lot of cardboard in this area because of all the businesses, so, and they'll probably recycle it, so maybe he just does his business here. Could also be from the mainland and just over here, just recycling cardboard right at the border. It's hard to say. There's almost all alcohol in the supermarket here. So almost everything here that's in a shop will probably be going across the border. So they're probably gonna buy, you know, liquor or alcohol. Oh, there's another side street in here too, so we'll just show you what's in here. And then we're gonna head on over this way. And that just funnels right into the street. Yeah, I think this street is called, I forget the name exactly. Frara Amaral, Ismo Frara Amaral. And then over here you'll see some more commerce. So you'll see right to the right, a bunch of people either buying or selling stuff or changing money, different stuff like that. But anyways, this is the border. Macau and China. Always popular videos for people to see. Okay. So in our video right there. Oh, actually we'll go a little bit further. So arrivals and departures. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la